Hello friends, this is part 72 of Aptitude test questions with their solutions, and today I will show you question number 186 and the steps to perform the question to get the answer for the question. Now let me directly go to the question. Question number 186. It says that if two jeans and three shirts cost $4,000 and three jeans and two shirts cost $3,500, how much does a jeans cost? A $500, B $1,000, C $1,500, D $2,000. Okay, you are given the information as such, and again you are required to find out the cost for a jeans. So what is the correct answer for this question? I hope you get the answer for the question, and let me show you how to get the answer for this question step by step. First, you have the information which says that two jeans and three shirts is equal to $4,000, and you can write 2J plus 3S which is equal to 4,000. That means let's represent jeans by J and shirt by S. So from the first information we have 2J plus 3S which is equal to $4,000. Again, from the second information, that means three jeans and two shirts cost $3,500. You can have the equation 3J plus 2S which is equal to $3,500. Now, what you have to do is that you have two simultaneous equations, and you can multiply the first equation by -2 and the second equation by 3, just to eliminate or to simplify the information. So when you multiply the first equation by -2, you get minus 4J minus 6X is equal to minus 8,000. And again, when you multiply the second equation by 3, you get 9J plus 3S 6S which is equal to 10,500. Now add these two equations together. You get, that means add the two equations, minus 4J plus 9J is equal to 5J, and minus 6S is cancelled out by 6X, and which is equal to 10,500 minus 8,000, which is 2,500. So you get 5J which is equal to 2,500. Now divide the whole by 5. So J which is equal to 500. That means the cost of a jeans is $500. If you get the cost for a jeans, then you can substitute in either of the first two equations the value of J, and you can solve for the value for a shirt or the value for S, and a shirt costs $1,000. So what is required here on the question is the cost of a jeans, and the cost of a jeans is $500. So your answer for this question is choice A. Okay, this is all about for today, and here On Big Academy, I'm just providing you aptitude test questions which may help students and graduates in any of their career. And if you are a student, and again, if you are a job seeker, you have to know how to solve aptitude test questions. And various types of aptitude test questions are just presented on this channel. And till now, I'm presented you 186 questions on different parts of this video channel. So you can refer all those questions and you can exercise, you can update yourself. And if you know how to solve aptitude test questions, you will be competitive in any type of vacancy examination. For example, banks or other financial institutions may evaluate employees on their vacancy using aptitude test questions. So if you apply for a vacancy in a bank, you will be evaluated using aptitude test questions. So if you know the way to solve these questions, then you will be successful in any type of, I hope, vacancy examinations. And again, in grade 12 matric examination, aptitude questions will appear, and you can easily pass aptitude tests or aptitude test examinations in matrix exam if you know how to solve again aptitude test questions. So to get those questions and to achieve better results, just be a member of this channel, subscribe this channel, and again invite your friends, families, and any other individuals that you know who may need to know aptitude test questions.